Hi, this is Brian with WTI. Don't you hate when you're going to travel on an airplane to another country and the TSA says that you cannot take more than 100 milliliters per item? So this is going to save your life. This is going to save time and money. Let me talk to you about my Amazon find today. A simple, unbranded perfume bottle that's become my travel best friend. It's tiny, only 5 millimeters, so it fits perfectly in my purse or even my pocket. Don't let its size fool you. This thing packs a serious punch. The coolest part is how you fill it. No messy funnels needed. Just pump the bottom of the bottle against the lid and it's good to go. And talk about efficiency. These little bottles gives me a whopping 65 to 80 sprays on a single fill. Plus, it's refillable, so you can save money and keep your favorite scents going strong. The best part, as long as you treat it right, no throwing or crazy drops, this bottle is a leak-proof champ. I've been using it since April and it's still going strong. So if you're looking for a convenient, travel-friendly way to keep your fragrance fresh throughout the day, I highly recommend to check out this unbranded 5 millimeter atomizer bottle. It's simple, affordable, and it really does the job. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And that's my point of view.